Ready to open the hood? Usetool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app.
You will find the bulk bulbs used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. To increase their lifespan, we would suggest never touching the glass with your fingers or cleaning them carefully with paper towels before putting them back. To access and replace the tail light bulbs, you need to open the car trunk and take out the headlight housing. Open the trunk. Fold down the rear seat. Unclip the cover of the boot trim retaining screw by prying with a plastic fork. Using a Phillips screwdriver, unscrew the holding screw. Using a fork, remove the plastic rivet holding the boot trim in place. Then move it aside slightly. Using a socket wrench and a long 10mm socket, unscrew the light retaining nut. Pull directly on the light. Remember to do this horizontally in line with the car. You can now access the light bulbs in your lights. To change the side light and brake light bulbs, rotate a quarter turn anti-clockwise while holding the gray base, then remove the assembly. To remove the bulb, push and unscrew a quarter turn. Take the new bulb. Do the same but in reverse when putting the new bulb back in.
Okay, guys, if we can share this video with you and help you save a lot of money, is also thanks to our partner, Mr. Auto. So, if you want to support us and buy the parts for this operation, visit their website. Okay, back to work.
To remove the side light bulb, take hold of the plastic cap and make a quart turn to the left. To remove the bulb from its housing, simply pull on it. Take the new bulb. Do the same but in reverse when putting the new bulb back in. To replace the bulbs on the indicators, take the bulb base and make a turn anti-clockwise. To remove the bulb, push and unscrew a quarter turn. Take the new bulb. Do the same but in reverse when putting the new bulb back in. To replace the reversing lights, take the plastic cap and make a quarter turn to the left. To remove the bulb, push and unscrew a quarter turn. Take the new bulb. Do the same but in reverse when putting the new bulb back in. Put the light back in its housing. Then screw the nut back on. Put the plastic trim back in place. Lock it. Screw the screw back in. Put the plastic cover back on. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from Usetool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We will be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.